If you want to cancel your Uber Eats free trial, follow these simple steps to ensure it is done correctly. This guide will help you navigate the cancellation process smoothly. Step 1. Open the Uber Eats app. Launch the Uber Eats app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with the free trial you wish to cancel. Step 2. Access your account settings. Tap on the profile icon or the account option, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to promotions or subscriptions. Look for an option labeled Promotions, Subscriptions, or something similar. This section will contain information about your current subscriptions and free trials. Step 4. Select the free trial. Find the free trial subscription you want to cancel. Tap on it to view more details about the trial and cancellation options. Step 5. Cancel the free trial. Follow the prompts to cancel the free trial. You may need to confirm your decision, so be sure to read any messages carefully before finalizing the cancellation. Once you have completed these steps, your free trial will be cancelled, and you will not be charged once the trial period ends. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Uber Eats customer support for assistance.